if you're thinking of using baking soda in your vacuum cleaner to sprinkle it on your rugs and your carpet to freshen it up a bit, don't do that. It's not what it's made for. Baking soda will bind in the vacuum cleaner, will clump, and void your warranty. It'll also ruin your filter. It'll get trapped in there. It's just not a good thing. So keep the baking soda to making yummy baked goods, or you can make a baking soda paste with an all-purpose cleaner and use it to scrub ovens. It comes out awesome. Or even just putting it on a counter and spray your all-purpose solution. Use baking soda instead of Comet or Ajax for an eco-friendly cleaning paste, but don't put it in your vacuum cleaner. And don't forget to like and subscribe, follow and share my channel so you can keep up to date with any kind of cleaning recalls and eco-oily cleaning tips and organizing tricks by Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.